Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to remove followers on Twitter. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Twitter app. Then after, tap on your top left corner, that is your profile icon, tap on it. Then over here you can see the option of following. Tap on the followers icon. There you can see the option of verified accounts and all. One follower. I'll tap on the profile. Tap on whichever profile you want remove from your following list. Then you can simply block this account. Then unblock it, because there is no other option to unfollow this. It had one following, now it has become 0 following, so you are not following this account doesn't follow you, and there is no other options of unfollow or remove followers. Therefore this is the only option. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.